So guys, we're going to do a making over there. So we're going to vlog. So here it is. Really and short, but it's not on camera roll.
Tama na Nika, apat na yan.
And this is, what are you doing?
Mayroon kaming order. Iano namin to, ipapadala namin sa...
Unsay order? Wala!
Mga pizza, oh. Mga pizza.
What? Ang pa-presents! And if you want to see my ID digit, I look like a baby. Look at that. Look at that face.